What's up guys, welcome back to Bake It Better. In today's episode we will be making these little guys, chocolate caramels, soft and creamy and an incredibly easy step into the wonderful world of candy making. So come along with me while we create these captivating confectionery. First, into a large pot we can pour our heavy cream, followed by our glucose syrup and honey. If you can't find glucose, a white or light corn syrup will do. And lastly, we can add in our sugar and salt. I recommend just scaling all of your ingredients directly into your pot, as this just makes less of a mess. Place this on a medium heat. We'll give this a quick little mix and then switch over to our whisk. While the mixture is heating up, prepare your cooling area. I use this marble slab with a silpat. I also have these candy bars that I use to frame my caramels. If you don't have these or can't make them, a square cake pan will work just fine. Just carefully line the pan with parchment paper or cling wrap. Now this is a great use for our probe thermometer, so we'll just set it to 117 degrees Celsius and place the probe in. I would recommend a thermometer that clips onto the side of the pot rather than this free probe, but mine broke, so this will do. Now get ready, because we have to whisk this constantly while it cooks. It's important during the first half to whisk because cream will boil quite high if not stirred. And once most of the liquid has been cooked off, the mixture will get quite thick, so if this wasn't stirred, it would burn quite easily. This is an easy task if you're ambidextrous, otherwise it's a good time to learn how to use your other hand. Just fight through it. It will all be worth it. When the temperature has been reached, remove from the heat and whisk in the butter and chocolate. You really need to use dark chocolate for this candy, so I guess I'll be giving it away to someone. Once fully incorporated, pour the mixture onto your prepared area. If you're using a frame, adjust the size as needed. We can then cover the caramel and leave to set for at least 12 hours. Once the caramels have set, we can turn them out onto a counter or a cutting board. You can cut these into any shape and size you'd like. I'm just going to cut mine into strips. And then cut those strips into small cubes. Once all of the caramel has been cut, you can store these in an airtight container. And here is the final product. Soft, chewy, and perfectly balanced between sweet, salty, and bitter. As always, you can find a copy of my recipe in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you back here in my kitchen for the next episode. I'll see you then.